Hello, welcome to Texas State Roleplays, Texas Department of Public Safety's official training guide. Today we are going to be overviewing the CAD system that we utilize here. To start off with, we are going to be reviewing what types of paperwork you must submit and or how to do it. So whenever you get to this point within the CAD, make sure to utilize your LEO permission key, which you can find in our department resources in the Texas Department of Public Safety. Is going to be within the dashboard channel, and you can find it there. You may also open a general support ticket and ask for it there, along with showing proof that you are in an active department. To start off with, we are going to be going to the police side of things. Once you've entered the police side of things, to file a record, you must go to, or reports, you must go to records. Once you've hit records, you may go to new records, which you can then submit a arrest report, full advisory request, warrant request, general citation, motor vehicle accident report, trespass notice, or CSI record. And on the report side of things, you have your use of force. To start off with, we are going to be reviewing your use of force report. Whenever you file your use of force, this is all of your civilian information. If you'd like to quickly search him up instead of manually putting all this in, you may search up a name in here, such as John Doe, or someone else of your choice. It will then automatically input all their information into here. That way you do not have to do it yourself. Whenever you do utilize a use of force report on a civilian, make sure to tag them with what they were properly assigned with or committed. For instance, if they were actively shooting at us, we would then flag them as armed and violent. If they were part of a gang, they were shooting at us, and all of that, we would then tag them with gang affiliated, along with if they had past or prior history. You could then tag them with known to resist arrest or past law enforcement assault if they have assaulted a police officer. The other flags are very self-explanatory, is all due to the situation that you use them. Your next type will be weapon did you discharge? Your pepper spray, how many times? Your physical contact, your baton, your taser, your shotgun, your long rifle, and your handgun. You will fill this out with the amount of times you shot them. And then for your use of force report, your minimal use of force requirement, sentence-wise, is going to be 4 sentences. There will also be multiple other boxes for you to check off, such as was medical called, was a supervisor called, and do you have body cam footage. You will then also get to put in your street name, along with your postal, and a cross street if needed. All your agency information will automatically be filled out. So this information will be filled out due to whatever unit identifier you are using. For the administrative section and the supervisor's signature, that will be for your guys' supervisors. As for the administrative section, you are going to leave your case file open and wait for a supervisor's signature. If you are a supervisor and or you have supervisor perms in the CAD, you do not sign this. In fact, you would get into contact with a higher up in your department, such as command and or admin staff, to sign it off. For our next section, we are going to be going over the records. For the arrest records, the minimal sentence requirement is 4 to 5. For bullet advisory and or warrant requests, it is 5 to 6, along with what to seize for the warrant requests and or stuff like that. For your general citations, it is 2 to 3 sentences. Motor vehicle incident report, 2 to 3. Trespass notice is 2 to 3, and everything else that follows is 2 to 3 sentences. One way on how to look someone up in CAD is you would hit the lookup button. You can search them by their name, plate, and then if you'd like to search them up by their unit identifier, you can search them up via this. You may also search by their record ID. So once you've submitted a report, you're going to be able to find their record ID within that report. Now for your status buttons. The only buttons that you will actually need to worry about is your 10.6 busy, 10.7 unavailable, 10.8 available, and your panic button. The buttons that you will not have to worry about and are for dispatch only are going to be the 1097 en route to a call and the 1023 on scene. These are for the dispatcher to use only. That has concluded our CAD rundown. The FTO is now going to ask you a couple questions and present a quiz to you. Be sure to send the correct answers to your assigned FTO's DMs.